With the skyrocketing prices of petrol, car manufacturers as well as buyers are increasingly switching to CNG options. As compared to the petrol cars, the CNG variants are more affordable as well as environment friendly. Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai have been dominating the Indian CNG car market for a while, but now Tata Motors has also joined the bandwagon. So before we have a look at the 10 most fuel-efficient CNG cars under Rs 10 lakh in India, we request you to please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News. So do you think CNG cars are better than petrol cars? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News, and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.